Alright, my people. A beer vibes, you know. Cause if you're new here, just subscribe, you know what I mean? Click that bell down there, so. You know what I mean? You can leave a comment below. You see me, I say, share your views. Cause right now, that one yeah, it nerve wracking to me. I wonder if Gargamel and police, you know what I mean, in a problem again. Cause them raid him room. Them raid him hotel room. You know what I mean? The artist forward in the country should be elated, you know what I mean, to see the artist, you know what I mean, over the years. When you not see him, I hear no music. I know enough of them police that were running at the man hotel room. Used to listen to the man, never say used to listen to the man music and know him. So I don't know what they are trying to implicate. I don't know what them are do. I don't even know if the Gargamel and these, the lawman them have something going. You know, I need to know if somebody knows something and they need to come and tell me so we can dialogue on this. You know what I mean? So we can talk about it. We can have a reasoning on the topic. Because it can't be the case of the people them not liking or loving the great Buju Banton. See? Because I pay the artists to come in them country. So that means you have a segment of people or a portion of the nation where I look forward to see the artists at whichever stage show or concert them have put together for him go shell down. You know what I mean? He did such a wonderful performance, you know, at his show at the stadium. I know these people watch it, I know these people see it because live streaming did up and run. I don't know the drone them they are fly around and everything they get captured. A beer vibes they are going there. So right now the world want to get the vibe there, you see me I say. So people been booking the artists. So I don't know, you know what I mean, I don't know if the artists have something going on with these law people. You know, so